last video, as we have seen that scope inheritance is going to connect this authors.js file with my HTML page with the help of object $scope. So we have seen that we have created one module which is the name author app, and inside which we have a logical controller with the name my controller. We have already passed the name of the module inside ng app and name of the controller inside ng controller. So in this page we have specified that this page is connected with this module and the controller which is inside that. Inside this div tag, my goal is I want to display list of the names which are there in my collection. For that, first I'm just creating an unordered list, and inside this unordered list we'll have one list item tag. For this list item, I'm just using one more directive because I'm going to deal with the collection of data. I have a directive with the name ng repeat. Just for your information, ng repeat directive works like a for each loop and it deals with the collection. So I'm simply specifying that I want to do ng repeat for author in authors. This author's word which are specified in this should match with your collection name. So as you can see, my collection name is authors and I'm specifying that I want to do for each loop kind of thing inside that. For each author in authors, we are going to generate a list item, and this list item is going to have an expression inside which we are going to display author, which is my variable name in this, and with that variable name dot, I'm going to pass my key, which is name. Once we do this thing, this ng repeat directive is actually going to generate multiple li tag at runtime, depends upon the authors which are there in that. If I run this page in the browser, you can see we are able to see all the names which are there in that JavaScript collection. The good thing is, if I go to my developer toolbar by pressing F12, in my developer toolbar, you can see that it's showing me a div tag inside which we have UL, and if I just scroll down, you can see it's generating multiple li tags based on my collection. So this thing is actually happening because of ng repeat directive. Coming back to this Visual Studio, I want you to remember that up to this point, whatever we have done, that's actually basics of AngularJS. We are just trying to be familiar with AngularJS, properties, and some other terms. As you can see, up to this point, we have seen some directives like ng app, ng controller, ng repeat, and ng model. All of these directives are going to help us to do something in my UI HTML tags. And same way, we have seen some JavaScript code also, which is inside authors.js, in which we are using some functions of AngularJS like module and controllers to write our logical things inside the JavaScript file. And also we have used one predefined object which is with the name $scope, which is useful when we are creating controller. I hope you remember all these terms of AngularJS for future videos. Thank you.